In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and folders to Google Drive on a computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your documents, photos, and entire folders into Drive quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser on a computer and going to drive.google.com. Once the Drive homepage loads, look toward the top left of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Click that, and a small menu will appear. If you want to upload one or more individual files like a PDF, a photo, or a presentation, choose File Upload. Your computer's file picker will open so you can browse to what you need. You can select a single file or, if you prefer, select multiple files at once before confirming. Drive will begin uploading right away. If you're moving an entire folder, choose Folder Upload instead. This is a great option when you want to keep everything together, including any subfolders inside. After selecting your folder, confirm the upload. Google Drive will handle the rest, preserving the structure so it looks the same online as it does on your computer. There's also a faster, more visual option that many people love: drag and drop. With Drive open in your browser, open a Finder or File Explorer window on your computer. Click and drag the file or folder you want and drop it directly into the Drive window. You can drag a single file, a batch of files, or an entire folder. When you release the mouse, Drive will immediately start uploading. This method is especially handy if you already have the items visible on your desktop or in a folder you're viewing. As your upload begins, look to the bottom right corner of the Drive window. A small status panel will appear, showing the progress of each file or folder. You can keep working in other tabs, but it's best not to close the Drive tab until everything is finished. Larger files and big folders take longer, so give them time to complete. When you see the message indicating that the upload is complete, you're all set. Your items will appear in Drive and are ready to open, share, or use across your devices. That's all there is to it. Go to drive.google.com, choose New and pick File Upload or Folder Upload, or simply drag and drop. Watch the bottom right notification to confirm success, and you're done.